Are you looking to articulate your strategy that defines what your strategic imperatives and also the key areas you will not be focusing on? Have you been searching for a way to define your differentiating capabilities along with your customer needs? If so, this course is for you. Our course is designed to provide a framework for B2B organizations to develop and articulate winning strategies by applying a core set of strategic concepts. If your organization is looking for growth or to improve strategic thinking, this course will build your foundational knowledge. Key concepts will focus on 4 areas. What is strategy? What is the momentum of your business? Articulating sweet spots, and strategy on a page. Participants will leave the session with an approach to defining the current state of your business and a market strategy to inform decision-making. The application of these concepts will be through real insights, not a series of fill-in-the-blank templates. Properly defining strategy and developing a strategy must be market-informed. These concepts will be presented were built on over 2 decades of experience with over 1,200 project teams across 5 continents. This background provides depth and breadth of experience to ensure these concepts can be applied across different industries, market positions, challenges, and technologies. You should attend this course if you are a business leader, product manager, or responsible for leading or contributing to strategy or strategic planning within your organization. Managers and individual contributors will gather relevant skills to apply to their business. The work will be spread out over 2 days to maximize the learning opportunity and give you real insights to take back to your organization. I look forward to meeting you at the workshop.